This is a radical experiment. I gave an AI $100 in only 24 hours to turn a profit. Welcome to the world of Agent Zero. Most people are using AI for simple tasks, like writing emails. I wanted to see if we could automate capital itself. Most people use AI to write emails. I'm using it to write checks. This is the difference between a simple tool and a truly autonomous agent. This is Agent Zero, a self-governing AI I built. The mission: start with $100 and achieve a positive return in just 24 hours. The clock is ticking. This digital wallet holds the initial capital, and the countdown shows exactly how long Agent Zero has to succeed. To accomplish this task, Agent Zero needed access to 3 critical systems. Let's look at the mechanism behind the operation. I connected a GPT-4o core for decision-making, a Stripe API for financial transactions, and a web scraper to analyze market opportunities. The initial logic flow was straightforward. Identify low-cost, high-demand digital assets, verify the purchase channel, and execute the buy-sell loop. This is the visual blueprint of Agent Zero's brain. It's a self-correcting loop designed to iterate and learn from market signals. The first 3 hours were a disaster. This is where most automated systems fail. But Agent Zero had a secret weapon. 3 hours in, we hit a wall. The agent attempted to buy a high-value domain name, but the registry immediately flagged it as non-existent. A critical error. This is the contrast loop: human frustration versus automated, unemotional error handling. I watched the logs for 90 seconds. Agent Zero was already adapting. The agent learned the hard way that high-value domains were too risky. With the clock still ticking, it had to pivot its strategy completely. I made a difficult decision. I didn't intervene. I wanted to see true autonomous behavior. I watched it analyze its remaining capital and available resources. With the remaining $80, Agent Zero completely re-strategized, pivoting away from domain speculation towards buying and selling micro-subscriptions to niche online tools. After the pivot, I mostly left the system alone. I came back at the 23-hour mark, and the results were completely unexpected. It's now hour 23. The results weren't what I expected. They're actually kind of terrifying. The speed of the capital recycling was staggering. In 24 hours, starting with $100, Agent Zero autonomously generated $28.15 in profit. That's a near 30% return achieved by a piece of code. The most important question isn't how much it made, but what this means for the future of work. If an autonomous script can manage capital, source opportunities, and adapt strategies in a day, what happens to the repetitive tasks in your 9-to-5 next year? This technology is here now. The code for Agent Zero, including the logic flow and the components I used, is available for you in the description below.